Welcome back to the EduLab YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, we're going to tackle a common challenge in Power BI, enabling the search option in your slicers. This is super helpful when you have a long list of items and you don't want to scroll endlessly to find what you need. First, let's start with a standard slicer. As you can see here, I've created a slicer for product name. If you look at this long list of products, scrolling to find a specific item can be a real pain. We're going to fix that by adding a search box. To get started, make sure your slicer is selected. You'll know it's selected when you see the small boxes around the edges. Now, navigate to the Visualizations pane on the right. From there, click on the Format Your Visual icon, which looks like a paintbrush. Next, click on Slicer Settings. You'll see the Options menu. By default, the style is set to Vertical List. This is the format that requires all that scrolling. To add the search bar, you don't actually change the style. Instead, you click on the More Options icon, the three dots, in the top right corner of the slicer. From the drop-down menu that appears, simply select Search. And just like that, a search bar appears at the top of your slicer. Now you can easily type to find what you're looking for, saving you a ton of time and effort. For example, if I type bike, it instantly filters the list to show me only the products with bike in their name. This works for any item in your list. And that's all there is to it. Adding a search bar to your slicer is a simple change that makes a big difference in usability. I hope this quick tip was helpful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful Power BI tutorials. If you have any questions or want to see a video on a specific topic, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching!